Turning now to our special series coming back from COVID during the pandemic, many turned to Bay Area shelters like Pets in Need in Redwood City.
Yeah, even older pets and pets with medical needs, like Birdie, who is blind, got adopted.
I think with COVID, it was kind of more of a guarantee that we would be able to be at home, we would be able to work from home, and take the time that we needed to be able to give her all the training she needs, especially because she's a puppy.
Pets in Need adopted more than 1,500 companions during the year of the pandemic. More than 4,600 animals found homes through Humane Society Silicon Valley. Berkeley Humane Society, they provided 800 spay and neuter procedures, plus other vet services during the shelter orders, and also helped distribute more than 75,000 pounds of pet food. Increased adoptions weren't just a benefit for the pets in shelters. According to Rover.com, 93% of people who adopted pets say it actually improved their mental and physical well-being and made being at home a little bit more enjoyable.